Hey guys, it's Bob, your local realtor, coming to you with a video for expired listings. Now, if you've had a home on the market and the listing has expired without the property selling, this is for you. What do I offer to expired listings? I know it's a little discouraging, but please don't be discouraged. I've helped lots of people to sell after their initial listing expired. Okay, with another agent, of course. But what I offer is more money, a quicker sale, better negotiations, which means the terms of the contract, okay, getting terms that fit what your desires more, okay? And I am so confident that I can sell your home that I offer a 30-day listing, okay? You don't have to list your home for 6 months with me. In 30 days, you're gonna know how I do my job, okay? And you're gonna see action on your listing, okay? It's gonna be a different experience maybe than what you've seen before. So try me, okay? Ask me about the 30-day listing. I'm certainly not bashful about doing that, okay? We'll put the house on the property, put the property on the market, excuse me, and get maximum exposure, okay? We'll have an open house. We'll get people through the house, and we'll get you the best price possible for your home in the shortest possible time, okay? So Bob, your local realtor, call me. Let's talk about it. Let's have a 20-minute conversation. I'll tell you how things work, okay? We'll see you on the next one, and thanks for watching this video.